Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back out looking for another E60 for my friend Matt. Today we're going to look at a 2008 535XI. This time it is an E60, so it's a sedan we're looking at. This one has around 160,000 miles on it, far less issues than the last one, so hopefully we get it. Unfortunately, it does not have PDC, but it does have comfort access, which is something he really wanted. A couple other things that are wrong with it. 4x4 lights on since it is an X-Drive, some DSC stuff, and we think a check engine light. So hopefully this one is pretty easy to fix and we can pick it up for a good price. Once we get there, I'll give you a walk around the car and then we'll see if we get it. See you guys when we're there.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. This is just for us now.
So we're here looking at the car, currently scanning the car with ISTA to see all of the errors. Here's a look at the interior of the car. Sport seats, comfort seats, really nice interior. Anthracite headliner. Checking out all the codes right now, seeing what's going on. Really nice car. We'll let you know. We'll take a look at the codes in a second and let you know what's going on. So taking a look at the error codes on this car, we only have 29 codes. Let's take a look at some of them. No communication to a lot of these things, which could be due to the battery not being registered because the battery wasn't registered. Driver's side mirror, which we knew was bad, had some issues. AWS issues, activated limp mode, just some basic issues. Steering angle sensor plausibility, which is the big one that we're looking at of why the steering angle sensor, what it's doing causing that light. So these are look at some of the errors. Really, compared to the last one that we looked at had 127 or something like that for a code, so this one has a lot less codes than the other one did. So here's the tree basically showing you the errors. A lot of the modules are looking good. We have some in the CAS, climate control, some other things, but it's looking pretty good, so I'll update you guys after. So here, guys, is a look at the car. Right now you saw the codes. It had 29 codes. It had steering angle, DSC, button was light was on. Let's look at the rims, are really nice. Has comfort access, as we mentioned. Here's a look at the inside. Here is a look at the comfort seats. The luxury seats it has are super nice, better than the sport seats. Has comfort access, looks super clean. It has a very bad valve cover gasket leak, which isn't something huge for the N54, as many of you guys know, so that would be a not really big issue. It does have a slight misfire. The brakes are not looking really good though, unfortunately. Here's a look at the back. Here's a look at the trunk. Very clean. We think the battery is the wrong size. It's a very small battery that was back there and it's not registered, so that would definitely be something that needs to be fixed. A new battery, and they are getting a little condensation in the back of the actual rear glass, so you can see right here. But overall, body is super straight. May have had a resprayed bumper, but much straighter than the other one. Very nice condition. Tint all around. Here's one more look at the inside that I absolutely love. The sport seats, or the comfort seats with the sport steering wheel. So we'll let you know if we get the car, but right now it's looking good.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. This is just for us now. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this.
So as you probably saw, you saw the rollers on the highway. Matt got the car. Here's a look at it. Absolutely beautiful. The previous owner had the rims refinished, super nice. Does need new brakes. The brake caliper's been painted blue. It's very subtle. A very nice tint on the car. The car is overall in very good condition. A couple things like Headlights need to be refinished, but overall the paint on this car is really, really good. Super nice. As the interior, as mentioned, has the comfort seats that are just, oh my, they're super comfortable. Sport steering wheel. Even the cup holder's actually working. See, has an Arizona T in it. Just such a nice car. More videos to come with the N54. We're definitely looking for more things, doing some mods, and we're hopefully, Matt wants to put out some big horsepower numbers with this car, so maybe be in contact with a couple companies to do some tuning. I know MHD is offering a tune for us, a couple of other companies, so definitely more to come on the channel. All right, we're already getting right to the mods in this video. Matt is putting in a dual AFE air intake for his 535. He got it for a really good deal, so he's just installing that right now.
Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging. Go and come.
Yeah, Matt just drove the car home. We just drove the car home in an hour, and Matt decides to, I don't know, touch the engine.
Oh yeah.
Super easy to install an air intake on the 535 or any N54 engine, to be honest. Only a couple, there's just a clamp down there that holds it in. There's a line right here that had to come off that'll be put back on.
There's one more clamp on the back too. And then these are literally just studs that it sits on, and it just snaps right on.
And this should help the turbo breathe a little more, and you should be able to hear it spool up a little better with these intakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style video of us going to buy Matt's 535XI. It's a 2008, as I mentioned. It has the comfort seats, comfort access, and the car is just absolutely beautiful. So Matt's goal for this car is to put out a lot of horsepower. That's kind of what he's going for. So you'll be seeing a lot of mods and DIYs with the N54 on this channel. If you guys are excited, hit that thumbs up button. Don't worry, the E46, my E46 is going nowhere. You'll continually see the same E46 content that you've been seeing because my E46 is staying for life. I do have something cool planned for it that you guys will be seeing pretty soon. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. Like this video, consider subscribing to see BMW related content, including the E46 and the E60 with the 535. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.